Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros chocolate sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips, preferably a good quality semi-sweet or dark chocolate. Also, have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract ready. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly elevates the chocolate's depth. This simple combination creates an incredibly rich and smooth sauce. Now, let's combine these delicious ingredients. Pour the heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat it over medium-low heat. The key here is to warm the cream gently, not boil it. You'll see small bubbles forming around the edges when it's ready. Once simmering, remove the pan from the heat and immediately add your chocolate chips and the 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir continuously until everything is melted and smooth. Keep stirring the mixture until all the chocolate chips and butter have completely melted into the warm cream. This process should result in a beautifully smooth and uniform consistency. Next, stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and that small pinch of salt. Continue to gently stir for another minute or 2. You'll notice the sauce becoming wonderfully glossy and perfectly thick, ready for your churros. Your incredible churro chocolate sauce is now ready. Serve it warm alongside your freshly fried churros for an unforgettable treat. If you happen to have any sauce left over, which is unlikely, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy every delicious dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.